In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an organization on Pipedrive. We'll walk through the process from logging in to confirming the deletion, and I'll point out what to look for so you don't remove the wrong record. Deleting an organization is straightforward, but it's important to be deliberate, because once you confirm, the action may be permanent depending on your account settings. Start by heading to the Pipedrive website and signing into your account. Use your usual login method and make sure you're in the correct workspace if your company uses more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard or a recent view. From here, look toward the top navigation and go to Contacts. This is where all your people and organizations live. Inside Contacts, switch to the Organizations view. In Pipedrive, people are individual contacts, while organizations group those people under a company or account name. We're working specifically with organizations, so make sure you're on that tab to avoid deleting a person by mistake. Next, locate the organization you want to remove. You can scroll the list or use the search bar to type the exact name. If your list is long, filters can help narrow things down. Before you proceed, open the organization so you can double-check you're in the right place. Review the details shown on the organization's page, things like associated people, deals, and activities, just to confirm it's the correct record. If anything looks off, back out and select the right one. With the organization page open, look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More or represented by an icon. Click that menu to reveal additional actions. Choose Delete from the options. Pipedrive does this to prevent accidental removals, so you'll see a confirmation step next. A confirmation dialog will appear, summarizing that you're about to delete the organization. Read this message carefully. It may outline how the deletion affects related items. If you're certain, click Delete Again to confirm. If you're not completely sure, cancel now and review the organization details once more before trying again. After you confirm, the organization will be removed and you'll be taken back to your list. If you don't see the delete option, your user role may not have permission to delete records, so you'll need to contact an admin for help. That's it. You've successfully deleted an organization in Pipedrive by logging in, opening Contacts, switching to Organizations, selecting the correct record, using the three-dot menu, choosing Delete, and confirming the action. Thanks for watching, and proceed with care when removing data to keep your CRM clean and accurate.